Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. My name is Lauren. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another clean with me video. You guys really seem to like these, and honestly, my apartment is always in need of being cleaned. So I bring you guys another one. This one is just going to be my like Sunday pickup routine. Literally what I'm doing to kind of get myself re-cleaned and reorganized for the week. Pretty much just picking up things, doing the stuff that you need to do to make it look clean again and get yourself situated. I really hope you guys enjoy the video though. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. Make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Without regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
To the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me clean my apartment. Maybe it gave you a little bit of inspiration to go and clean your home or your apartment or your room or whatever it be. If you do find it inspiring, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And that's gonna bring us to the end of the video today, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.